What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And you know, as quick as I was gone, I was back, and now it looks like I got to go back again. So I wanted to get some content and have some stuff in queue for you guys, to make sure that you guys had no serious lapse in the content. In today's video, we're going to be looking at, and you guys have asked for it, specifically ZL1s and Camaros. Now, there'll also be a walk around video, which you guys will get to see probably later today, and a follow-up video for you guys on the Maserati. We just got done taking that to the shop to find out how much it's going to cost to get everything fixed on the car. And then I'm sure you're wondering what this is. This is another IAA win. We're going to talk to you guys a little bit. Maybe I'll let you see that sticker and you guys can guess what that is. Anyways, y'all can guess what kind of car it is in the comments. Some of you guys that follow me on social media probably already know, have already seen it. But I actually kind of like this thing, to be honest. I know, it's crazy, right? Someone's gonna see this stripe and know exactly what it is. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments. But we'll jump directly into this right after the intro. We're gonna get into the auction side and see just how much you can save and what you could get a ZL1 or other Camaro for cheaply. Bonus video, guys. Obviously not the best quality or whatever, because we're looking at screens from a phone. But roll the intro. Alright, guys, welcome on in. Today we are in the building. We're looking at Camaros, and I didn't see all these. This is a couple other different ones. We have an 84 Camaro. Now I was thinking, okay, this is not available for bidding. I was thinking like, this is interesting. Here's a 2014 LS. Not anything great, but it's already at $7 grand. But I knew some of you guys wanted to look for specifically beast cars. So let's look up ZL1. Let's do that. ZL1. Boom. Now we can weed out all the food stamp Camaros and get straight to the real Camaros. All right. We got one with collision in the front. How does that? Ooh wee! Shit. Pictures look good. I think that's kind of cool. The little pixelated transition. Look at them airbags. Ouch. 18,000 miles, though. I mean, even if it was just a motor, there's the VIN. Wow, look at that engine, man. Jesus Christ. So I have a little bit of an announcement for you guys about my work. So you guys know that I've worked for automotive companies before, namely Stellantis. We're going to use this as a thumbnail unless I find something else that's better. Let me just, whoop. Now you guys can see the process. Look, see, this is how good a Note is, man. Or S22 Ultra. I know people will say it's not a Note, but it's a Note. Wow, look at that, man. Jesus. Hey, we got another one here. This is 2022. New shit. Oh, this one is smashed. Ooh, and the back is hit. Oof. Airbag. Yeah, that one's a little smell like no lights or nothing. That one's a little smashed. Yeah, a little bit. 2013 ZL1. That's around my area where I like to look at vehicles. San Antonio. That one's not horrible. That one's definitely fixable. That one is definitely fixable. It is older, but it is definitely fixable. Ooh wee! What in the ooh, and you got hit in the rear. Yes, too much. Like if it just got de-skinned on the front like that, I'd be like, okay. And it's a Camaro. I mean, it's a convertible. Let's look at the next one. 2017. This one is in Wilmington. This is in North Carolina. Ooh, hail damage everywhere. Or just little dings. Ooh, it runs. It's waiting on the title. 44,000 miles. Let's see what she sounds like. Sounds good. LT4 motor, huh? Let's scroll up, see if we can find something that's more easy to like fix and keep it moving. See, it's something like this where it's suspension and skin, but let me see the back. Oh, never mind. Yeah, like something like this. No, not something like this. Hold on. Let me. Yeah, y'all giving the Mustang boys a run for their money, man. What the hell y'all doing, man? See, now this is more what I'm talking about. Rear suspension work. You probably could even work out that bumper, respray it, and save it. A little bit of metal work here on the rear quarter. And yeah, this car could definitely be put back on the road. You might have to fix that door. I bet you could work metal work all that though. I bet all that could be metal worked. 65,000 miles. If you could get it for cheap enough, it's automatic though. 6.2 supercharged V8, 580 horsepower. Oof, that one is definitely a strong candidate. It's in St. Louis. And we got another one that's a run and drive. That's a rear, 2015. Oh, that damage isn't horrible. I mean, that back is pushed in. You might have to do some serious work there on the rear. Yeah, you'd have to pull that shit out. But you know what? That's not so horrible. As long as it didn't mess up the lines up the side of the car, why not? Why not? Put it on a damn machine and just pull that shit out. I know someone will be like, you can't do that, TK. You got to reinforce stuff. You got to be... Man, I don't care about all that. Ooh. Chop, 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 chop. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Smashed. So crazy to see so many of these things just destroyed, man. Just nuts. Absolutely nuts. Fire and interior burn. Now this, if it's just like an electrical thing where somebody hooked up a radio bat or something and they melted something. Ooh, airbags too? How the hell do you get the airbags to deploy? Oh, it's in the back. Yeah. But if it's just an interior... Look at them tires. Tires is bald as shit. Hell no, man. Uh-oh. They stripped that one. Yeah. Theft, I bet. They stripped that shit. That's done. Whew. Well, as you can see, there are several available. And the reason why I wanted to do this video was to show you all the ones that were available. And I thought, you know, some of these were pretty decent as far as cars to view, you know. Pretty decent. I think I might do this as a thumbnail instead. I think I like this one a little bit better. I think I like that one just a little bit better. What do you guys think? 2017 Camaro. That's a better thumbnail, I think. So there you have it, guys. There are multiple, how do you say this? Multiple vehicles that you could take a shot at, right? Are all of them, I'm going to put a bumper on it, or I'm going to fix X, Y, and Z, and I'm just going to drive it? Of course not. Some of them require some serious work. But the whole thing about salvage auctions is you can literally get something, fix it, make it the way that you want to make it, and save a ton of money. Now today we looked at IAA. There are other platforms, and we will talk about those again in the future. Maybe I'll do a Copart edition, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, that's going to do it for me. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you like this video, if you like the channel and like what I do, please give it a big thumbs up. We're going to take this little trip. I got to pop back out to Florida for a few days for some family stuff, and then when I get back, you guys will also get to see me on a cross-country trip at some point. I know I've been considering everything that's been going on for me to be doing traveling and stuff. I know you guys probably think it's crazy. Here's hoping my body keeps up with me and lets me get through with it, right? But let's go ahead and get out of here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.